How to limit battery charge to 80% on HP laptop. Hello guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can improve your battery's health using different options and also limit the charging level. So let's get started. First, you need to restart your PC or laptop. While it's restarting, keep pressing the F10 key on your keyboard until the BIOS screen opens. Once the BIOS opens, go to the Advanced tab or the Power Management section. This can be different depending on your device. After that, go to the Power Management option. Then enable the power control box. After that, you'll see three options. I'll explain which one limits the battery charge to 80% in a moment, but first, it's important to understand what each option does. The first option is Maximize Battery Health, which optimizes charging and power usage to help extend your battery's lifespan. The second option is Let HP Manage My Battery Charging, which controls battery charging using HP's automatic management system. The last option is Maximize My Battery Duration, which reduces power usage so the battery can last longer between charges. Out of these options, the best one to select is the first one. Then go to the Main tab, scroll to the bottom, click Save Changes and choose Yes. Still having a problem? Share it in the comments. Thanks for watching.